Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2009 Harley Davidson CVO Fat Bob. Fat Bob is a excellent handling bike. It just feels really good. And this CVO's got some extra oompahs to it. Got the 110 Screaming Eagle motor, 6-speed transmission, forward mount foot controls, Screaming Eagle heavy breather. This one's also had a thunder header exhaust put on it, 2-in-1 thunder header. Real nice performance upgrade, and it gives it a real nice sound too. This is kind of a denim gray and blue. Very nice looking bike. It's got the gray color matched frame. Air dam down low there. Chrome front end, chrome axle nut covers. Little trim piece on the front fender. It's in beautiful shape. So it's got a little rock peck right here on the front of the tank. Right there. Got kind of a cool looking dash up here with a CVO badge. So put you a new set of Avon grips on it. It's got chrome switch housings, levers, steel braided lines. Got a tack mounted up here on the handlebar clamp. Old school cigar style shocks. Some more of the CVO badging. She's a beaut. Got good miles too, 09 with under 10,000 miles, 9,261 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. That rear tire's got a few miles left on it, but it's not going to be long. You're going to want to replace that tire. Tiny little bitty peck right there. Call our sales team, learn more about it at toll free 888-400-1151. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.